Good morning, children. Let's start with our second unit test syllabus. So I want you to write in your notebooks, bete, in the very front page, like where you're going to start for the second unit test, which are going to be there in November. Please write down the syllabus. For English 2, unit test 2, the same way the way I have written, write very neatly in your notebooks so that you don't have to search again and again. Syllabus for unit test 2, which are going to be there in November. From the reader book, we are having two lessons. Lesson number 18, poem Friends and Flatterers. Lesson number 19, Getting Ready for Adventures. Then from the novel, we have two lessons. Lesson number 6, Fix Tricks. And lesson number 7, Lost in Yokohama. You got it? This is the syllabus for unit test 2, which are going to be there in November. So we are going to start with the lesson Friends and Flatterers. Very, very interesting poem. So let's start reciting this poem. So please open your books and we just write down unit test 2 on the top and write in the bracket November so that it comes in your mind that you have to prepare. And the poem is better Friends and Flatterers. So before starting, let's know something about the poet. So let's start. Yes, with full energy and keep on reading books better to improve your English. Keep on. So let's start with the poem William Shakespeare. You all are familiar with this person. Yeah, he is known as the Bard of Avon. See here. So let's start reading something more about him. William Shakespeare, an English poet, dramatist and actor, is arguably the most famous literary figure of all time. The Bard of Avon was not only a skilled playwright but also one of the most accomplished poets. He wrote a compilation of sonnets, poems that have, sonnets means that poem which have 14 lines, each containing 10 syllables and a fixed pattern of rhyme. No other writer can rival the timeless appeal that Shakespeare enjoys. So this was something about the poet. Now see the pictures they have given. And the poem, the name itself is telling you the exact meaning. Friends and Flatterers. Friends here means like this word friends, it's telling you the true friends, and flatterers, the false friends. But if flatterers are those people, those who used to only praise you when you're having the things, when you're having the money, but once you're going to lose the things, the money, they will not be nearby you. They will not be nearby you when you really need them. When you are there in trouble, only your true friends are going to be there. So this is really a great poem. So when you're going to read, you're going to find out so many things from here. So better let's start reading this, reciting this poem from here. Let's start. This poem is going to give you one question in your mind. Who is a real friend then? Friends and flatterers. Who is your real friend? One who gives you time, one who gives you company only in good times, or one who is there through your thick and thin? If I'm going to ask you this, just imagine, who is your real friend? Means one who gives company only when you have good times, or when you are there in your good times, full money, full everything, enjoying the things, the good things around you, or who is there through your thick and thin? Thick and thin means through your troubling times. So this answer you're going to get from the poem. Okay, so let's see. Everyone that flatters thee is no friend in misery. Words are easy like the wind. Faithful friends are hard to find. Yes. Everyone that flatters thee, all the people around you, those are only praising you, telling you that you are really very, very good, very, very kind, so many other things, is no friend in misery. When you're there in trouble, no, all the people around you, those who only are there for flattering you, for buttering you, for telling you that you are so good, you are having so much of money, this and that, not telling you the things which really required. Words are easy like the wind. You know, it's easy to praise, it's easy to say the things. So, and they are like wind, like because they are lost soon. Shakespeare compares the words to the winds only because, like wind, they are lost soon. So they are just telling you the things over there that very period of time when you're having all the things, but is no friend in misery, but you are there in trouble. No, the people like flatterers, they will never be nearby you. Faithful friends are hard to find, and it's very, very difficult to find a true friend. Hard to find means very, very difficult. Every man will be thy friend. Every man is going to be your friend. But the old English, no, your friend. Everyone will be thy friend. Will whistle, thou hast wherewith to spend. While though, wherewith, whenever you're having the money, anything, all the things over there nearby you to spend, enough money to spend on them, enough money to enjoy, they are going to be there with you. Every man will be thy friend, and that person's friend. But if store of crowns be scant, but in case, unfortunately, or if misfortune, by this way, if you're going to lose your things, if you are going to, if somebody is going to lost his wealth due to some misfortune, these so-called friends are going to disappear. But if store of crowns be scant, due to some misfortune, but if store of crowns means all the coins, the money be scant due to some misfortune, if that person is going to lose his wealth, no man shall supply thy want, and these so-called friends will disappear. They will never be nearby that person. If that one be prodigal, but a prodigal means the one who spends money too freely, very easily. If that one be prodigal, bountiful they will him call. Bountiful means a person that you are really a king, telling that you, because that person is spending on, all the friends. By that time only the flatterers, they are going to keep on praising, so that person should spend only on them. And with such like flattering, pity but he were a king, and keep on flattering, telling that you really are a king. And they will start telling him that you are so generous, so kind, and you are only fit to be a king. However, once the money is going to disappear, these people are also going to vanish somewhere, all the flatterers. See how nice pictures they have given over there. Yes, now the next. But if fortune wants to frown, if again the same line they have given, if the fortune wants to frown, misfortune is going to be there, then farewell his great renown. And these people, they are going to give farewell to that person. They that fawned on him before use his company no more. See, fawned, tried to praise by flattery. Once they are there only to keep on praising that you are only the king, you are only supposed to be, you are only fit to be a king, they will no longer be there for his company, because now that person is going to, not having the money to spend on them, and they are so mean because they were only nearby them only for the money. He that is thy friend indeed, only that friend is going to be nearby you, the one who is true friend. He will help thee in thy need. Whenever you need, that person is going to be there with you. If thou sorrow, he will weep, and he will also weep along with you. If you are there in sorrow, if you are there in trouble. If thou wake, he cannot sleep, and if you are awake due to your troubles and problems, that person cannot also sleep. He will be there nearby you. He is going to discuss the things to you. Thus of every grief in heart, all the problems in heart, all the sadness in heart, he will the doth bear a part, and he, that person, the true friend, is going to be there as a part of your life. These are certain signs to know, and these things will tell you that who is your true friend and who is your false friend. The one who's going to be nearby you better when you really need, that person is going to be your true friend, your faithful friend. And these all things are going to tell you, these are certain signs to know faithful friend from flattering foe. Foe means enemy, and that you can very easily judge once you are going to lose your money, and if that person is going to be there with you for your troubles, for bearing the pain along with you, that person is your true friend. But when you are there with full rich things, full happiness, these people are only around there, and these people are there known as flatterers. So one should be very, very clear, one should be very, very careful about the friends and flatterers. So nicely, see, they have given over there. But then we have the word meanings. This side we have thy, your, whistle, while, wherewith, the means to do something. Here it means money. You only learn money. It's okay for this word, money. Wherewith, money. Crowns, coins. Prodigal, one who spends money too freely. Yeah. Do frown, not favorable. Do frown, not favorable. Fond, try to please by flattery. Foe, enemy. Now let's start the comprehension. Take the correct options. Shakespeare compares words to wind. Yeah, the C part is correct, because like wind, they are lost soon. Like wind, they are lost soon. According to the poet, many people surround us when we are rich. Very good. The second verse points out that one loses dash, one will have few friends. Yes, money. So this is the correct answer. Okay, but the next page, let's see. We do have something that we can do now in the book. Yes, answer these questions we are going to do in the notebook. But again, see, very nice picture they have given of true friends. Then write the figures of speech used in these lines. So let's start doing this one. See, but words are easy like the wind. Words are easy like the wind. Yeah, they are comparing like, as so this is simile. Write down simile. Words are easy like the wind. That is as clear as like that. So this is simile. Faithful friend from flattering foe. See all the words starting with F alphabet. So this is alliteration. So write down same alphabet, alliteration. Alliteration. Simile, alliteration. Clear? All the words are starting from the same alphabet. So match these phrases with their meaning. So let's start doing it better. Is no friend in misery. Yeah, not a friend when you are unhappy or in trouble. So this is your number 1. D part. Then farewell his great renown. Come on, find out. Then farewell his great renown. In the class you used to tell, come on. Yes, his popularity is lost. Then farewell is great renown. Popularity is totally lost. This is number 2. Use his company no more. use his company no more. Now number 3. Yes, are not seen near him any longer. Number 3. Not seen near him any longer. He that is thy friend indeed. He who is truly your friend. Number 4. He who is truly your friend. He with thee doth bear a part. Yes. Is a partner through everything. So better the sequence is 4, 3, 5, 1, 2. Please go through the things and better to learn the meanings of these phrases. Don't expect the matchups as matchups. This could be asked in any way to tell the meaning. Okay, better now question answers we'll do in the next video. Thank you. God bless you.